Welcome to YouTube if it is channel. I'm gonna turn this vlog early. I did go to bed 3 o'clock this morning. I'm coming to this out to guys. My best friend Liam ordered this my merch, y'all. Please, I'm gonna do it, guys. Please hit this comment. I'm gonna put this up. Please hit this one, comment, hit that bell, and put this awesome in the comment. And like if you don't do this vlog. I am outside, y'all. It's snowing today. And a lot of people in this comment saying, what happened because of that? Look at this, y'all. Look at this snowing. There's ice. Everywhere, man. And a lot of ice. Look at this. There's a lot of ice. There's a lot of ice. I'm gonna clear up. It's snowing last night. And anyone, please, go part. I'm not doing. Thank you, my kids. So I'm not doing the order this merch. I'm not doing. No, look at this. Look at this ice, y'all. This is awesome. Right here. It's mine. This acre, a lot. My mom got to one of Moody's and my dad's. Someone is doing. It's not bad. This is cool. I cool outside and doing a lot. Look at this, y'all. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. It is snowing, y'all. When it's not snow, it's gonna clear up what I'm doing. Right here. Everywhere. In the bottle right there. My dad's here today. And you guys talk about. I am sorry, and last week, let's go back, go watch it. I'm in the Quad Bear with my cousins, and dad go watch it, y'all. Look at this. Look. What do it? I'm gonna clean up, I'm gonna snow up. And the ice everywhere. And it's a damn good part. You know, I hang out with my friends, Casey. Went there, go watch it, y'all. And right here in the link that Christian guys in bottle. Went outside, went to bed. Something got back in the house. You know, doing. Mama cooking hot butter today. We're gonna go pour. This is interesting, y'all. I'll wait in my merch, y'all. You like this much, y'all? I'm gonna take the picture right here. What I'm doing. I'm gonna see. Look at this. Look at this out, y'all. What do we? Man. Ooh, it's cold. Look at this. Everywhere. This go part. It is early this morning on this day. It is 4:15. None of y'all. And the good part, this sun to come up. Look at the sun, y'all. It's a thing. What do I? I wear gloves and that is my hand. It's very cold. So I'm gonna see. Like about right here in the plate with a bit of snow. We're doing. Look at this ice. This is awesome, y'all. This ice is good part. You know, we're gonna throw it. Swiss. Yo. Whew. Yeah, good part. This good part. My aunties and probably it's the aunt in her house and everything. It's a good part on this intro. And my dad truck, not a lot. A lot of snow in the last week. That go back, go watching y'all everything. Sitting in the door. We're gonna clean up everything with eyes.